St. Peter and St. Paul's Church in Grays is one of the oldest landmarks in Thurrock, with origins dating back to the 12th century. For nearly 1,000 years, the church has stood beside the River Thames, quietly watching the town grow and change around it. Its distinctive medieval tower and traditional stone architecture make it one of the most recognizable historic buildings in the local area. Throughout the centuries, the church has remained an important place for worship and community life. Today, it continues to stand as a symbol of heritage and the long history of this part of Essex. If you enjoy discovering historic places like this, remember to subscribe for more stories and hidden locations from across Essex and the Thames Riverside.